Kinetic Carl here, and Lola, and of course Sabia. And gonna give the old Plymouth Barracuda a cold start. Let's see what happens here. Looking a little dusty, needs a bath. Yeah, that windshield. Oof. It's kind of a dusty old shop. I mean, the shop's probably 120 years old or so. Let's see what I can get here. And I think I won't even bother pumping the gas. I'm just gonna, yeah, we're in neutral. Let's see. All right, 2 pedals. Nothing. Well, there you have it. It's a cold start and a fail. Let's best out of 3. Here we go. That's me pumping the gas a few times, hoping to inspire it. Hey, there we go. Okay, so that was 2. Okay. And okay, magic words. Abracadabra, start. Hey, that's what it was. I forgot to say abracadabra. Oops. Oh, I said it again and I guess that turned it off. All right, well, anyhow, there you have it. Cold start. And yeah, probably the choke is backed off, and that's why it fell off of idle there. Anyhow, Kinetic Carl and my super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders in a old 1966 Plymouth Barracuda. Hard to believe I was like 5 years old when this thing was built. Yeah, I would have been in the way back. That would have been a sweet spot for a kid in the way back. I think that's a fixed window. I don't think it hinges because I don't see any sign of a hinge at the top. So I think it's not a hatchback. It's pre-hatchback, you know, but it's got that hatchback window look. Yep. No, yeah, the old hand crank. For those millennials right there, that's how you raise the window. You have to put some concerted effort into getting that window up. There, we even have the Barracuda badge. And yeah. Alrighty, Kinetic Carl here on my super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders and down inside the Plymouth Barracuda.